Dinner time!
Sorry! Alam niyo naman kanina, di ako nag-lunch ha.
Sige, bawi. Bawi na, bawi.
Bawi yan.
Happy birthday, Mama! Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Long life.
Pansit or long life?
Long life, pansit. Len, dito ka na, Len. Videoing us.
Sige na, lapit na kay Lola.
Yung i-rebuild naman talaga pag binigay niya.
O, dali na, go na, go.
Talagang, hindi na ibigay. Ngayon yung mga tao.
Hindi yan makikita, ibigay nyo sa kanya mismo. No, Sunshine, Lola will not notice it. Give it na, go. Go na, go. Wala ka pa kayong sleepers, ha? Hindi na kita ni Lola.
Oo naman.
What about
Oo,
kay
pakinggan
Sunshine?
naman nyo yung card kaya pala nawala sa mga apo ko. I love a very special grandma. Happy birthday, Lola Bear.
To a very special.
Ito to, ang tawag kasi niyan sa akin, Lola Bear. I hope all your wishes come true. I love you. Take care. Be safe from Jessie.
Wow.
Peace. Ito naman kay...
Sweet naman ni Jay.
Kay, ang ganda oh.
Nice. Wow.
Kay ano naman ito, kay Sunshine, sabi niya, Grandma, happy 80th birthday, Lola. We love you and be strong. Love you.
Lola. Puro Lola. Love you, Lola.
Ano ba ito?
Time to...
Time to
To pet a dog.
pet a dog. Abo, mayroon pa siya.
Galing na.
Time to pet a
Si Lola
dog.
din sa puppies eh.
Oh.
Oh, sweet naman ni Sunshine.
Wow. Oh, kiss na si Lola.
Very good ah. May tago mo yan.
Grabe.
Tago mo yan.
Pinaghirapan nila yan.
It took us
Si Jessie.
It took us like
Galing ah.
Sorry, we like
Ganyan
Tago mo yan. Wala ka lang mga
Ah,
marami
so,
kumain, ha?
Kuya, sorry we skipped the prayer.
It's okay.